Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Kajal Agarwal's shocking gift from husband. One of the highest paid actresses of the South Indian film industry, Kajal Agarwal recently got married with businessman Gautam Kichlu. Kajal Agarwal got hitched with businessman Gautam Kichlu on 30th October in a private ceremony in Mumbai. The wedding was held at the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel of Mumbai and the venue was decorated with flowers beautifully. The beautiful bride got a surprise gift from her husband Gautam, which is a quite expensive one too. Well, as per the recent reports, Gautam Kichlu has given his wifey Kajal Agarwal a beautiful neck piece. Yes, Kajal got a gorgeous neck piece from her husband Gautam on the occasion of their wedding. Gautam planned this surprise gift for his wife for a very long time and it has made Kajal really happy. According to the reports, Gautam has chosen the popular luxury brand Tiffany & Co for his wife Kajal. He has bought a beautiful neck which has diamonds from the brand Tiffany & Co. Gautam Kichlu went on to choose a beautiful neck piece from Tiffany's popular Victoria collection. It is a graduated line necklace which is made with platinum and has diamonds all over it. The unique cuts and combination of the diamonds are giving this neck piece a beautiful look. Tiffany has used Marquise diamond in this gorgeous and expensive neck piece. According to reports, Gautam Kichlu has spent a huge amount of money on this neck piece. As per Tiffany's website, this neck piece is worth $56,000, which is undoubtedly a hefty amount. The neck piece's value in Indian rupees is around 40 lakhs, which is a very big amount. This handcrafted neck piece is loved by the South Indian actress too much. She never imagined a surprise like this from her husband Gautam Kichlu. How much do you like the neck piece? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.